Many cities across the country are reporting the warmest year ever on record, and Williamsport is one of them.
Newswatch 16's Allie Gallo here now with more on that. Allie.
Good morning, John and Mindy. 2023, now one of the warmest on record for both northeastern and central PA, coming in at number 2 for here in the Scranton area and number 1 for the Williamsport area. And Milwaukee, Nashville, San Antonio, Burlington, Vermont, all reporting the warmest year on record too. And scientists say it will likely be Earth's hottest year on record, but December's data is not official yet. So according to the National Weather Service, which documents the high and low temperatures for each day of the month at Williamsport Regional Airport and the Wilkes-Barre-Scranton International Airport, the average temperature for 2023 in central PA was 54 degrees, and in northeastern PA, it was 53.3 degrees. This means 3 of the past 4 years are now considered some of the warmest since record keeping began in 1900. In fact, here in the Scranton area, 2020 is still at number 1, again 2023 at number 2, and 2021 is at number 3. In Williamsport, 2020 and 21 are also in the top 10 at 6 and 7, and meteorologists with the National Weather Service say this isn't all that surprising considering we have been in a La Nina pattern for the past 3 winters, the weather phenomena when Pacific Ocean waters are cooler than average.
And that actually has ramifications across the whole Western Hemisphere. Cold air tends to get locked up over the western portions of North America in those cases, and warmer air moves up via southerly flow across the eastern U.S., including Pennsylvania. So that has actually contributed to some of the warmer weather over the past few years.
So how exactly did we get here? It was actually the colder months that did it. January and February were well above average, then a stretch of time in mid-April where the Williamsport area hit 90 degrees. Then the summer months actually weren't all that hot, but we did see the return of those above average temperatures September through the end of the year, and it was this mild December specifically that really solidified that number 1 spot for central PA. And something else to note is we have now shifted into an El Nino winter, which actually has a weaker influence on temperatures here in PA and has a stronger influence on the moisture and types of storms that we see. And John and Mindy, El Nino winters are actually, typically we see more coastal type storms, which of course is what we have all of our eyes on for this weekend.
Amazing that the water temperature in the Pacific has such an impact
yes,
here.
It can, yep.
Wow. All right, Allie, thank you.